Oh, I'm not online, am I? No. Am I streaming? I heard that, I heard that, that honk noise, and it seems like I might still be streaming. Seems like things got better. But yeah, that, dong, the Windows chime noise usually means that my stream got interrupted, but it seems to be okay now. It didn't even occur to me, what that sound meant until I noticed that my camera light flickered, alright, well, if I was gone, I'm back now. So let's keep on. Uh, so right, so all right, so King Day, Ogre Cave, Malady, maybe Pirate Ship, Pirate Ship. I should probably do Pirate Ship. I might do Pirate Ship first because Pirate Ship is really out there. Rainstorm, Rescue, Riot, Treasure. Yeah, the rest of those seem okay. I'll do Pirate Ship now. Uh, so new folder, Pirate Ship. Uh, yeah, sure. Cool. Oh yeah. Also, oh right. Ima seems to have finished, so I'm gonna. Yeah, I'm just gonna upload it. I'll be right back. Or I'm not going anywhere, but I'm switching over to Facecam for just a second. Hey. So I'm. What am I doing with this? I'm uploading it to a folders on the interwebs. Which folders? This folders. I don't want to hit a million. Would you like to replace this file prompt? So I'm just going to delete the old stuff and plop in the new stuff. Like so. And that should be good. Shouldn't take too long, but I'll switch back to screen cam. Oh yeah, and actually I don't even have to wait for it to continue doing things because I can start building the next project. Which would be, which ones? I mean, I should do all of them, hypothetically. Yeah, I should just do all of them. So let's start at the top of the list. Alright, so open project, open other projects. So B-Box I did Pheno. Sure. Let's do Pheno. uh, yes, upgrade the project. Uh, I made a backup. Go ahead. Oh yeah, those are the two prompts you get with Unity. First, it asks you if you want to convert to 5.0 because you can't convert back, and then it asks if you want to update your APIs and whatnot. Pheno. Pheno. All right. Build. No reason to get sentimental. Build settings. Build for WebGL preview. Build. Oh, whoops. Fastest. Very slow builds. Build. For D builds. Pheno. Oh, I never had build folders for this, so this will be 0, 0, 0, 2. I said 2, I typed 1. Hold on. Yikes. I've operated a keyboard before. I swear, I've done it once before. I think. Uh, so, sorry, just 1 second. What, right, okay, so select folder. Cool. Alright, so that'll go and do fun stuff, I'm inclined to think. So yeah. Let's let's let that do its thing. And I just got distracted by my other computer because it just threw a million things at me all at once, which is fine. Just a million things flying at my face. Hey, happy birthday, adventurers! Happy birthday to everyone whose adventure birthday it was today, apparently. Uh, That's all still fallout from. Oh my gosh, the average passive value is still 93. That's never gonna go down. Maybe there's still a bug. Maybe it's all really super broken and not getting any better. I guess that is one thing that I was planning on checking. So Trusty Bard has 2 passive bonus points. Lifo has 95. Lauren has 39. So it probably is going down. Trent has 107. I still have 33. Killer Q has 184. So you guys are... Alright, it's just because... Yeah, it's just taking... A lot of people got affected by the bug, and it's just taking a while to drain down, I guess. Is what that's all about. Congratulations on leveling up, Killer Q and Trent Sterling. Sorry, I didn't notice that until just now, but yeah. Good job. So, just because I just want I don't tend to check this, so I'm just gonna check. I haven't been checking it very much, so I'm just gonna check real quick. That this actually is working. So I'm just going to compare these two things because the differences in numbers between these two events should be relatively minimal, if at all. So yeah, so I had 33 and now I have 34. Trusty Bard had 2, Trusty Bard got 3, Lifo had 95, Lifo had 96. All right, so that seems to be working. It's only awarding 1. So like yeah, I'll count back. So Trusty Bard has 2. What about in the previous one? Trusty Bard had 0. It is possible to get 2 at the same time. It's not frequent, but it is possible. Yeah, no, that's actually entirely possible. I guess. Huh. All right, but if you got 2 in that case, then we shouldn't have gotten many more before that. So what did you have before that? Trusty Bard. Before that, you had 1. Wait. Oh, wait. Wait a second. Wait a second. If Trusty Bard had 1 passive point here, how did he gain 5 here? He wouldn't have been eligible. What? What is this? What is this madness? Is there? Huh. Is there a bug with that or something? I don't know. Seems weird. Hold on. I'm gonna copy like most of this over for just a quick second, and then I can just so like Trusty Bard. I don't think it says Trusty Bard too much in this text. Actually, wait, no. You know what I can do is I can just say Trusty Bard. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, it does say Trusty Bard a lot actually. Whatever. This is still workable. All right, so. Oh yeah. So Trusty Bard. But yeah. So let's check for when Trusty Bard is said in quotes followed by a comma, because that'll happen a lot less often. All right. So Trusty Bard 3, 2, 0. Yeah, but then gaining 5 after only having 1. That's concerning. That's like a legit bug. That feels like a legit bug. Why would it do that, though? Why would it? What? Trusty Bard had 1, and then went down to 0. So, what would explain something like that? Either... I mean, there'd have to be a lot wrong. Wait, how did Trusty Bard have 3, and then go to 1? And then, at 1, deduct 5? 3 plus... Like, that, so it should only be additive unless it gets, unless it's getting cashed in. So, I don't think there's a way to go from 3 like, t- last I checked, 1 is actually less than 3. So, I don't know what that's about. And then, and then maybe it's a magical one that's somehow both greater than 3 and greater than 5. I don't know. The rest of it seems legit, though. Wait, is Trusty Bard just always getting added into these things? Is Trusty Bard like somehow like permanently in these things? Like, have we ever had an event that doesn't include Trusty Bard in it? Because so far, Trusty Bard has been in literally all of them. What, what is happening here? Um, why? Why did that? That would explain why Trusty Bard is leveling so fast. Um, if Trusty Bard is just somehow like permanently in this group. That is so weird, though. Alright, so apparently, alright, so maybe Jocko, or maybe, excuse me, maybe Trusty Bard is broken, so I should, like, look at someone else instead. So I'll look at Life Foes. Because there might just be a bug that Trusty Bard just gets always included in the passive bonuses, which is kind of funny. Um, um, all right, so LIFO, let's see where LIFO's history. So LIFO had 89, and then went to 90, that makes sense, and then went to 91, then went to 92, 93, 94. All right, so that seems legit, right? 98. 98? What happened here? That doesn't seem right. No, that doesn't seem right. Why would it jump so high? '94 to '98? The only time that that would imply that there had been no event for an entire hour, but I don't really see that as something that would happen. I feel like I mean, I might not have noticed something like that, but how would that happen in the game systems? Like, there's nothing in the game that would support an occurrence like that. So that's weird. Yikes. Alright, so there might be something going wrong here. But, alright, so from 90... Wait, and then it went from 98... Oh, because then LIFO cashed in 5 points. Alright, so it went from 98 down 5 up 2 to get to 95. Again, going up by 4 and then going up by 2 so fast. That seems weird. I don't like that. But then the rest of it seems okay. Goes to 96 afterwards. All right. So I'm just gonna check one more data point. Let's check. I think Lauren has probably been here for a while, so we can compare that as well. So Lauren started at 40, stayed at 40. Yeah, because I guess no one gained any that time. Stayed at 40 again? Really? What? What is happening there? Stayed at 40. And then possibly left, or... Nope. Went to 37. Okay, so that was down 3, or down 4, because of this event, plus 1, so that's weird. So it wasn't giving any away for the longest time. And then 38, alright, so 37, 38. So down 3 plus 1 is 36, yeah. 37. Down 4 plus 1 is 34, yeah. 35. 35 to 33. Alright, so yeah, so Lauren went 35 down 3 plus 1. And this is the gap that... No, the next gap is the one where LIFO got a huge boost. So let's see if Lauren got a huge boost here. Yeah, 33 to 37. Was there really just... Well, so if there's nothing wrong with the passive system, that would imply that there's something wrong with the event system, that no event happened for an entire hour. Because you get a passive... You're only supposed to get a passive point every 15 minutes. And so to jump up 4 implies that like an entire hour has elapsed between events. But the script was running the whole time. Why? What? What? Something's weird here. I don't know what. Alright, how many events ago was this? Because I guess I can check the chat log. This is only 1, 2, 3, 4 events ago. Alright, so the last 3 events should be legit. But then the one before 3 events ago. So, alright, so this is not counting the boulder. So the bubbler is the first. The cricket race is the second. The goblin arsonists is the third. And so it was between the third and the fourth. Is that what I said? 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So before the cricket race was there, or excuse me, before the arson, was it really an hour before the previous event? Let's see. So the goblin arson just happened at 6:24. No, it was definitely not that long because the pirate ship happened at oh, no, that's actually correct. Wow, yeah, it's really funny to see happen, but there is the situation wherein the event can run long, whereas which is the case where it just kind of like chills. And it actually did, because wow, alright, no, that works out. Because the pirate ship started at 5:12. Yep, alright. That is legit. It looked weird, because I didn't expect that to happen. I mean, I'd never really considered the case wherein that happens, but no, it seems fine. Alright, so Fino finished building. So let me just check if Ima is like working correctly now. So Ima was build version 3, I think. Ima and so like Ima's a little messed up because it uses the symbols in shadow mode, but it doesn't default to shadow mode on, so that's a little more normal. A little bit better, hypothetically. So let's see. Yeah, look at that. That looks like some top-notch Ima right there. That's what that is. The one sad part is the stars. I got the stars working just how I wanted them, and now they do not as much work so much anymore. But that's fine. They still look satisfactory, I'll say. That's the praise I will give to them, that they are satisfactory. They're hey, Tales of the Heartland, how's it going? Welcome. This is a game that I made a long time ago. Well, not that long ago, like in the autumn. Oh, cool. Alright. Thanks for the update. I will, oh shoot. Twitch doesn't think that I'm logged in on my other computer, so I can't do it right now, but I'll, once I'm logged in on my other computer, then I'll be able to, do stuff. Yeah, it's, the new name sounds good. I mean, yeah, it's, yeah, alright. Okay, alright, so speaking of things that are probably good, this is also probably good. What was it? Oh yeah, shadow mode. If I'm oh yeah, I forgot the These buttons don't work after. Alright, activate the secret mode where shadow mode is on and it has all these weird symbols and stuff, which is fine. That's actually fun. Alright, I'm gonna call that fun. As I've been doing for the past like several seconds. But alright, so I'm gonna switch over to Facecam for just a second because I'm gonna do more web stuff for just a second. I'm gonna upload Pheno now, I guess. Pheno build 2. Pheno new create directory 0002. And then let's look in there and copy all this stuff over. Alright, so that should go do its wonderful thing on its own. And so now let's just keep going down the list. Keep on keeping on. Open projects. There aren't that many more. I did a bunch of jams for a while, and so there are a few. But let's see. We did Pheno, we did Grav, we did Hero. That's not a real thing. IMA we did. Journey is not a Loser is the next one. Journey is not a Unity project, which is why we don't have to update that. Upgrade, sure. Excuse me. Yeah. So, oh, if I'm making a new build, I might as well fix it. Loser, I made this game one day. I was like, I didn't feel like streaming, or I was like done for the day, and someone in chat was like, no, don't go. I was like, fine, I'll do one more thing. I'll take one more request before the end of the day, and then I'll do one more thing, and then I'll call it a day. And the person's request was make a game, and so I was like, fine. Their only specification is that you had to be able to lose the game. So I made Loser, a game about a sphere that you can rotate. Right now, the way it's supposed to work is that it's supposed to get faster and faster as the game goes on, and so it's supposed to get more and more challenging as the game goes on. The thing is, it doesn't really get faster. It does technically get faster, but it doesn't get faster fast enough. So I'm gonna fix that, because yeah, the game is that if the little sphere guy leaves the circle, then you lose, is how the game goes. And yeah, there's not much to say about it. Alright, so cripes. I did not name these things well, but I'm pretty sure I just have to make these numbers bigger, and that makes it go faster. So 0.25. I should probably whatever. I'm just gonna look at the script to remind myself what these values mean. One of them is just how naturally fast the whoa, why is this? Oh, okay. I forgot to let Unity 5 know that where is it? Edit, preferences, external tools. My external script editor is actually not MonoDevelop. It is Visual Studio. Please and thank you. Visual Studio 12? Wait, what? Hold on, wait. What did I set this for in the other Unity? In previous Unity. Previously on Unity. Sorry. Edit, preferences, external tools, Microsoft Visual Studio 13. Where? What? I was hoping to check what installation, or like where that installation path was, but I guess I can just find it. Browse, C, program files, Microsoft Visual Studio. Oh, the numbers are weird, right? Like 12 is actually 13, and like 13 is actually, I don't know. No, this doesn't seem to be the right place, because it was just a series of folders that had nothing in there. Maybe I was on the right track. Hey, Core! Tiny Core! Sorry. I need something to call you. I mean, I guess as long as you and the other Core are not in the same room at the same time, then it's clear enough. But Yeah, there's someone else whose name is Core spelled Corps, and so I I don't know how to distinguish. Where am I going? Maybe maybe I didn't install Microsoft Visual Studio on this drive. Maybe I installed it on the other the other drive. Or is that it? No, that doesn't sound right. Debugger host? No, that doesn't sound right. Alright, what where did I Oh, wait. What if I open the old Unity and edit a script? No, not CORPSE, CORPS, like core. Yeah, yeah, core, CORPS, right? Yeah, which is spelled core, which is pronounced core. Uh, it's I don't know if that's maybe that's not a common term, but in it is like it's like well, hold on, we'll look it up together. uh, yeah, I actually used to call Core Corpse because I didn't read his name very carefully or her name. But then yeah, it's so define core. Yeah, see, it's pronounced core.
Core,
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 core.
core. Sorry. Okay. Oh yeah, I was gonna open Visual Studio to find out where Visual Studio comes from. Hopefully. Maybe. All right, where are you from? How am I? What was my plan here? I was hoping like the tooltip or something would give me Visual Studio 2013. What? It's just opening it again. Wait, hold on. How about open project solution? No, I was hoping it would like point me at the home directory. Where do you come from, Marcus? Where do you come from? Where is your exe located on the computers? I mean, there's only so many places it could be from, so I guess I could just keep looking because it might not be on this drive. It might not be on the C drive. I might have installed it on the D drive. I feel like I would have put it on the C drive, but I don't know, maybe not. No, it's not here. Is it here? Visual Studio? Oh, hey, look at that. Yeah, maybe I just put it over here for some reason. So, what? Which what do I, etc., etc. Blend? No. Blend? Common 7? I have no clue where I'm going. IDE? Oh, maybe. Yikes. I think I'm getting closer, right? We got, hey, Siege Games! How's it going? Welcome! How's it going? Excuse me. It's been a while. Seeing you in this context, I guess. And I was immediately, my immediate reaction to my own, like saying your name as Siege Games was like, that's weird. Why did I say Siege Games? Why not just say your real name? But hey, how's it going? I'm looking for I'm looking for for where I installed Microsoft Visual Studio because I guess it doesn't really matter. I can do that later. I'm checking out Unity 5 and converting some of my projects over. I just this game. It's not like important. Like this is literally the entire game. Yeah, this is like literally the entire game. It's just it's a game about a actually no, there might be slightly more to the game. It's a game about a sphere that rotates. Oh, okay, wait, actually. Oh, okay. So it's yeah. So it's the SI and RI that I need to tune up to get the game balanced. Because the like S is just speed. SI. One of them is the yeah. One of them is the amount that it increases gradually over time, and the other is the amount that increases on click. I was just I guess looking at the script to remind myself of I think I am a bit giggly. I can't refute that. But I don't know if I'd want to. I think I'm happy being giggly. I think it's not a problem I need to fix. All right. So how are SI and RI used? RI is yeah. So when you click, RI gets applied, and then just naturally over time, SI gets applied. Oh wait. No, SI is also applied here. Oh, so maybe they're both a part of the same. Oh, they're both. Oh, interesting. Uh, oh no. All right, so it's just SI. I just have to tune up SI. I thought both. Okay. Yeah, no. RI is actually it has nothing to do with the difficulty curve. RI just has to do with the how fast it rotates. How fast the like when you click and hold down, how fast the little dude guy rotates. All right, so I bumped it. I multiplied it by 4, so hopefully that's good enough now. That might still be too slow, because like this game is like still trivially easy. Trivially easy. This game is not supposed to. This game is not supposed to be challenging. This game is supposed to be fairly easy. Yeah, so it can go way higher than 1, or than 0.1. So let's say like 0.4 or 0.5 even, right? Like this game is supposed to. I think the ideal time frame for this game is probably like a very short amount of time. The fun thing about this game is that it only counts upwards while you're holding down the mouse button. And there's also nothing to stop you from holding down the mouse button. All right, yeah, this is fine, I guess, because this is definitely like a challenge. Like at a certain point, like it actually, like you actually have to use reflexes and stuff to keep the little sphere friend from crashing into the borders. So, spoilers. You can actually one way to avoid losing is to just hold the mouse button down. There's nothing to stop you. There's no penalty for holding the mouse button down. The thing about that though is you might notice on the corner of the screen, like over here, you'll see the number just keeps ticking upwards. So if I let go at this point, I would lose instantaneously. And like I said, so the only criteria about this game was that, well, originally the game was only going to take 10 minutes, but I ended up doubling my schedule. I had to push it back a whole 10 minutes, and I ended up spending 20 minutes on it altogether. But yeah, no, the only important part of the project, other than that, was that you had to be able to lose the game, and so there's the very literal case where you just like lose by losing by accidentally going out of the sphere, and then there's only one other thing you can do in the game, which in my opinion is also losing, is you just sit there with the button depressed for all eternity while this little sphere just spins in circles. There's no way to win, keep in mind. You don't get points for staying in that state. there's anyways, that's loser. That's LUSR, the game. So let's let's deploy this for WebGL on the fastest setting. We need this to run at super high frame rate. All right, so build. I have to admit, it's a little bit fun just looking over all my old projects, or all these little jam projects. So loser. I think there's only ever one build of loser, so this is the second ever build of loser in the history of loser. And it's like so much better than the first build, which was like not even playable. Cool. So what were we doing before that? Oh yeah, we were we were writing events, I think. Oh yeah, no, we were. I was freaking out because I thought the system was broken, but it actually seems to be okay. And so, yeah, we can go back to writing events. And I think I already wrote this one. I think this one I just forgot to delete. I'll double check. I'm pretty sure I just forgot to delete or forgot to erase it from the scratchpad. What would it be? It would be focus, right? Yeah. Yeah. All right. So, oh, wait, we're doing a pirate ship now. Uh, yeah. Yeah. I I by the end of the time that I worked on Loser, I was very ready to move on. I went through a lot of soul searching and a long period of depression, actually, during like the 14th to 16th minute of the project. Sorry. There's a lot I could have done with it. There's a lot I could have done with that project, but at a certain point, I just had to pack up and move on. uh, so, yeah, pirate ship, right? Okay. Why are you on a pirate ship? Why is anyone on a pirate ship? Like, how did you get there? I feel like this is one where I should probably so with what was it? With the curse, I added like a preamble, or like I set the stage for curse so that it made a little sense why there was this curse. With 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 what was the mirror universe, I did the opposite. I mirror universe is like really jarring and weird, but I went back and put in like some follow through, so like the story doesn't just get weird for a moment, it gets weird and then it resolves itself, kind of. I think for pirate ship I should probably do a little of both. I should put you on the pirate ship and then take you off the pirate ship, because right now it's just a little weird that you're just spontaneously on a pirate ship. There's no explanation of basically anything surrounding the pirate ship. But alright, so what is this event? It is your pirate ship drifts on rocky seas. Will you hoist the mizzen, batten the hatches, and or shiver ye timbers? Fun fact: this was the most research that I ever put into an event. Was putting together this event. Hey, Gaming Frog, how's it going? Welcome. So, I looked up, like, these are actual things that you can do on a pirate ship. If you hoisted the mizzen and batten the hatches, you'd be doing real things on a pirate ship. You would not be making things up. So, yes, or so yeah, like I was saying, why are you on a pirate ship? I guess because you find a pirate ship, right? Like, why else would you be on a pirate ship? You probably found it, or you got picked up by pirates, or you just need to like cross a sea. The thing that I kind of don't want to do, which is difficult for a pirate ship, is I don't want to put it like in the ocean, or like I don't want to. Maybe so like it has to be like a lake pirate. I guess. I just don't want it to be geologically too grand, because like I don't like justify this with art. And so, for example, like if the setting, like what's the setting right now? So we're at a river right now. So, was my computer frozen? Like I'm not seeing any update to the. I'm like not seeing. So, oh yeah, that was super weird. OBS was just like super frozen for like I don't know how long. I don't know if I was still broadcasting during that time. I hope so. Yeah, Siege Games. It's great to see you again. Yeah, maybe if you're streaming later, maybe I'll catch you in your channel a little later on. Yeah, thanks for stopping by. Yeah, okay, so so right now we're at the river, right? So there is water. That's not really the case in like most in most scenes, like if you're in a cave, like why you're in a cave and then suddenly a pirate ship, like I don't know. I could just like I really don't want to not have the pirate ship. So it's so it could be an abandoned pirate ship. It's probably an abandoned pirate ship. Maybe I should change it so that like the outcomes are a little bit different. Maybe I should just keep it ambiguous so that it doesn't like literally like so that way if you're in a cave, like maybe it's like an underground pirate ship, right? It's like a secret underground pirate ship or something. That's that might be my best idea for what what to do with this one. Sorry, I'm not actually going anywhere. I'm just going to mute the microphone for 1 second, but I'll be right back. Sorry, just 1 second. Excuse me. Sorry. All right, so actually, I'm going to switch over to Facecam just 1 second, and I'm going to put loser on the internet so that we can all be losers together. No, so that everyone can play. How do I do that? Oh yeah, I've done this before. All right, so loser, new folder, create. I guess you know what? I'm not doing anything with the web right now, so I don't really have to be doing like all the upload stuff right now. I could always do that later. Maybe I'll do this last one and then stop worrying about the web stuff for now because I still need to do. I need to do a lot more before my website's actually in good shape. So yeah. Maybe I should do that now. Yeah. All right. Actually, I'm probably not gonna do the whole thing right now, but I'm just gonna. How how elaborate is this? Oops, is this new thing? Like how easy will this page be to customize? Basically, is what I'm curious about. Like all right. So if we look at this page, it looks like what? Open with Firefox. So when we look at this page, it's like it has the name of the project down here. It has like this, like a lot of this stuff I don't care about, and some text I want to kind of add in a little bit. So hey, look, it's loser. Loser actually, it's not great with low frame rate. It's probably okay enough. I lost. All right. uh, yes. I'm just thinking, yeah, about the layout. I mean, like the Unity WebGL mark down there, like I don't really need to be showing that. It's like this layout is not, you know, it's nice, it's fine. I just as is always the way with me, or is like almost always the way with me. I just want to change it a little bit. I just want it to be a little bit different than it is like this. So, yeah. Alright, sorry, I'm actually playing loser right now, which is a little bit sad. um, I lost. But then again, I was playing loser, so the great thing about loser is that you've actually lost just by playing. So the end of the game is actually a release, sweet release. All right. So how'd this look? So if I was gonna like edit this or like if I was gonna change this, like what's the safe stuff? Like what can I change without accidentally breaking everything? So this so this seems to be oh really? Wait. Oh no. Oh wait. What is? I don't. How many times do we reference the word loser in here? What's loser? Okay, so we do mention it a few times. So which one of these? All right, so this seems to be the chunk, so the title, I know how to edit that. That's as simple as such. What game is this? Oh, that's a good question. Are you talking about this game? Because this game's side quest. This is the game that I usually work on. This is the game that I'm working on in like a more serious regard. The game that's like up in the middle of the screen that I was looking at is Loser. It's spelled Lusr. That game is very different. They're two very different games. But yeah, so this is what I'm looking at right now is the web layout. Like so I just changed the title of the page. So if I hit refresh, it won't say Unity WebGL player loser anymore. It'll just say loser. That's I'm not a web developer by trade, so I'm proceeding with caution, I guess. So what is this? I feel like I can just get rid of this. Was that important? Let's find out. If I hit F5, or if I hit refresh, will it... Page seems fine still. Seems like that part wasn't super important. So I might keep this, I guess. And then what's the, what is this, though? This, like, Unity WebGL thing? And, like, the maximize button? Whoa. Whoa. It's not, like, cropped on the edges. That's weird. Oh, and of course, when you after you maximize it, it doesn't go back to normal. But wait, oh, and apparently it doesn't work in full screen mode, so that's interesting as well. Wait, does it stop working because I changed that thing? It didn't stop working because... No, it still works. Alright, I could probably get rid of all that stuff, honestly. Is it my imagination, or is there a faint shadowing around the edge of this? Like, for some reason, the center pane looks like it's like slightly like floating, like it's slightly 3D. I feel like I just want to get rid of a lot of this stuff. So, oh yeah, the full screen button thing. Let's get rid of that. So yeah, so let's get rid of that. Yes, and then oh, logo. Yeah, that's probably the other thing. So save this. I think I just got rid of like pretty much everything down here. Yeah. Oh yeah, and look at that. The title like is sitting up there now for some reason. That's I probably want to get rid of that. So where's the... Alright, so here's this canvas, I'm guessing, is like the thing itself. Right, that's like the game canvas itself. So I'm gonna move the title above that. Because I actually don't need texts. Huh, that didn't change anything. Why didn't that change anything? Why is that slightly indented? Oh, the indentations here are just one character. Are there two spaces? Does it have the indents? Weird. Alright, so... Yeah, I don't really need that, I don't think. It'd be nice if I could put text somewhere else on the page. That would be nice, I'll be honest. Wait, I just deleted that part. Oh, I forgot to save it. Save. Alright. So yeah, it'd be nice if I could put... Because, like, usually I have, like, a single line of text that goes above it, and then below it I have, like, a thing that says, like, I have a thing that says like the PC version and then with a link to download the Android version. But honestly, like I should be updating that to like to work better for various platforms, because as it is now, it's like it doesn't look good on Android. So it's like Android users, I don't think they actually ever really find the. So yeah, I shouldn't worry too much about this right now, but whatever. This is mostly fine. So oh yeah, wait, how much? So those are probably like that was the only reference to loser, right? And then the rest of it should be fairly the rest of it should be fairly straightforward. So, huh? What if I just had like what if I just had like the top of the body template wrap clear? Oh, I wonder if that's the thing that makes it look like it's slightly floaty or whatever. Oh yeah, and sorry, I just want to say I can get back to like the game dev stuff if you guys would prefer to watch that. I know I am technically broadcasting under game dev right now, so it's like yeah, let's look at this. How do I do the how's this setting the oh, I never really told myself, or I never really figured out how to set the background to be black. I just it always was. It just always was, because that's how I have been set up. So what here is making the background black? I mean, I guess it's fine to have a white background. I just tend to prefer, I don't know. I tend to set the games that I make on a darker background because, I don't know, for cinematic reasons. It's clearly more more engrossing, or it's yeah, I don't know. But I guess having it on a white background is fine too. So yeah, all I'd really want to do is figure out how to put that text back in, which should be simple enough, right? It's like edit with Notepad. Yeah, I mean it should just go like here, for example. So like div. Oh, wait a second. What is this footer thing? This footer thing, I don't think is even showing up. So I could probably get rid of it, since it's not actually like doing anything. Oh, I still have text wrap on, so that's weird. Or word wrap or whatever. Hold on, wait. Just since I'm actually like not text editing right now, I should then turn that off. I don't know what that was. That footer? It's claiming there's a footer on this page. Seems to think there's a footer on this page, but I'm not really seeing it. Either way, footer is probably not going to help me with what I'm trying to accomplish, because it apparently just doesn't even show up. What are the other classes here? Whoa. Where's the... Oh, template data. Oh, style. Yeah, here we go. Header, logo, title. I think title was like fine. So P class equals title. Whatever words go here. Slash P. How does that look? Like, what does that do for the page? Just put some up there. Alright, what if it was in the template wrapper thing? I think that's what I tried before, and this was I think when I had like text here, it just put it like on the side or like in a weird page. Oh no, actually it's about right. Alright, yeah, actually no, that's fine. The last thing I'm just gonna do is say align equals center. This is what I was doing all day yesterday. Just like trying to figure out how web things work. Yeah, good. All right, so that's fine. So I don't have to do it right now, but I'm basically going to go through and update all the landing pages with this new template. Actually, hold on. I'm just gonna take one more look at it because where's the vertical align? Why is it? If it's obvious why it's like aligning vertically. Wait, what? I just typed vertical in here and it's changed it back to loser. What the heck? So find. Yeah, well, it doesn't reference vertical. Does it do it in the style page? No. So how's it vertically aligned? According to what I looked up yesterday, that property is called vertical alignment. Well, alright, so I just won't worry about it, because it's really not important. I hit, like, the main points that I that I wanted to hit, so the rest of it is fine. I won't leave it like that, though. What was did I have text on loser originally, or was there actually just no explanatory text? Click anywhere. Yeah. That was the explanatory text. Click anywhere. Sure. So, good. Now, if I upload this, then it'll look super great. Yeah, look at that. Super great. My favorite. Best game ever. Okay, so did I upload this one yet? Sorry, I'm just going to switch back to Facecam one more time. I did upload loser, so I'm just going to replace... The only thing I have to update is index.html, because that was the only thing I changed. Okay. Alright, good. Good. So now, hypothetically, if I looked at it on the web, it would also look all nice and updated and stuff, right? Oh, I can close that. I don't need that page open anymore. So binary TV / loser / 0002. Yay! Oh yeah, I was like waiting for it to load, but like, I can already tell it looks fine because it has click anywhere, and then yeah, so I'll want to fix the alignment at some point, but I don't care. So cool. The time is now 8:03, which means I've been streaming for only like 5 hours because I started really late today. I'm not going to stream forever though, because I do need to stop eventually. What else? So what do I want to have accomplished by the time I'm done streaming? A lot of things, I guess, but mostly I'll just keep converting these projects over. So loser's all set. Let's do file, open project. What's next on the list? We're making good progress at this point. Loser, I haven't done matter yet. So let's open that. Don't save, or save, yeah. Yeah, because I made changes to loser for the better. Cool. What? Oh, yeah, no, that's true. Right, when I opened up the other Unity to look at stuff, matter was the project that was open, and so it was like telling me, it's already open, and like, yep, yeah, you're right, actually. So open it now. Upgrade. Yes. Okay. Oh yeah, and so the other thing I was talking about was the pirate ship, and wow, are all this stuff all weird? Why stuff weird? No, I don't know. Oh no, I do know what that was about. Wow, that's interesting. So it seems to be keeping some of the project settings when I switch projects, because I had made that sidebar really wide to read like text that I had written in the sidebar here. All right, but so build settings. This one I'll probably check before uploading it, but nah, it'll probably be fine. I was gonna say I could do a slow build or like a fast build, but whatever. Should be fine. So matter. So C. Or no, D. Excuse me. Builds. Matter. All right, there were two builds for this one. I made the second build like the other day, like a couple days ago. 0003. Yes. All right, so that needs some time to cook. So yeah, pirates. Pirates, huh? Pirates. So you yeah, so you probably stumble. You probably no. You stumble. You uncover an abandoned pirate ship. Uh, uh, I'm just trying to think, like, how, like, the question here is not just, like, how can I get a pirate ship to fit in, a cave, for example, but, like, how do I get it to fit in, like, every environment that I would want to add to this game? One of the, like, this event, more so, as much or more so than pretty much any other, um, like, it makes me want to tie or like basically categorize the events so that they only occur in certain conditions, specifically like with respect to the environment, so that like I don't know. I mean, hypothetically, I could make it so that the pirate ship only occurs like during the river, uh, like in the river environment. Not that a pirate ship in the river environment would make much sense. But I was planning on adding a beach at some point, and like a beach might be a fine place for a pirate ship. I really just don't want to take it out of the game. So maybe I just won't care about that. That's the other option, is that I can just like completely embrace the whoa. What's happening with the graphics right now? Huh. I could have sworn I saw a hard edge, like in the tree line. Like it looked like. Oh, maybe I was just seeing this edge, which looks a little bit hard. That, yeah, I think that tree is just oddly shaped. I could tidy that up, but I was concerned that it might be like a rendering error of some sort. Like it might be, like I might have like accidentally like cut something off or whatever. But all right, uh, so, oh yeah, I can turn word wrap back on. Uh. You uncover an abandoned pirate ship. Yeah, I think until I do something more sophisticated with like how I manage the events versus the environments, I should probably just not stress out about it. Like just go with what we have. Um, so I will. I hate to leave on a cliffhanger, but I think I'm actually going to finish the pirate or like do something with the pirate ship tomorrow, and I think I'm about ready to call it for the evening. So my last act before. Oh, is it? I honestly can't tell if I'm broadcasting right now because like OBS is like freezing up, and I don't know what that. All right, whatever. Maybe I don't know. Maybe it was working the whole time. Maybe not. I think it just doesn't like that I'm building. Oh, that's weird. It doesn't like that I'm like compiling that stuff because apparently that compiling stuff is really hardcore and it just like can't handle it. So that's great. I just can't compile builds while streaming. I'm sure that won't hinder me in any way at any point. Uh, so is it? yeah, and again, like I, I'll have to watch this broadcast back in the archives because for me, like OBS just looks completely locked up, like completely frozen, and all right, let's let's find another cool channel that we can like go hang out with and invade or whatever. Actually, you know what? I always feel like a jerk when I do this, but I think I might actually just go cold. Um, so sorry. I think I'm actually probably just gonna say thank you to everyone for who tuned in. I hope to see you all again in the. I can't tell if I'm broadcasting, but yeah, no, thank you for everyone who tuned in. I hope to see you all again in the near future, and until next time, have a wonderful whatever time of day it is where you are. So bye, 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 bye.